The International Committee of the Red Cross has been aware of the challenges facing ecosystem posed by the global climate change. Therefore, to bolster the sustainability of its humanitarian response, the ICRC aims to reinforce the ability of conflict-affected communities to absorb the combined consequences of conflict and climate shocks. It will accordingly enhance its own environmental responsibilities and policies by improving its energy efficiency, reducing its dependence on fossil fuel, reducing and ensuring proper treatment of hazardous waste in the field, and demanding higher quality and sounder environmental practices from its suppliers. Based on this overall statement, how does the ICRC Regional Workshop recycle waste linked to its automotive fleet in Jordan? We're talking here about 4 distinct kinds of waste materials to recycle: tire polymer, metals, batteries and their lead, and plastic. What do we do with tires? We start by selling our old tires to a company dedicated to produce polymer granules used in various practical products. Let's have a look at how this process is done. Tires are processed through various stages in the factory, then shredded into 3 different sizes of granules depending on their respective final purpose. Here are some examples of the final recycled products: soaker irrigation hoses, tiles for athletic tracks, playgrounds, and artificial grass. This is our partner company for tire recycling. Metals and metal alloys. As for the metal used in vehicle bodies and spare parts, the ICRC workshop separates iron and aluminum, and both materials are sold at their respective market price to a partner factory, where various metals are melted and transformed into ingots, ready for exportations to larger industry around the world. This is our partner company for metal recycling. Batteries, lead, and acid. An important challenge for the world today is how to recycle vehicle batteries. How do we address this? At the ICRC Regional Workshop, batteries are emptied of their acid to be reused for topping up liquid in working batteries, if their type allows this. The empty old batteries are sold to our partner company dealing in metals, which in turn undergoes the same process of separation of plastic and lead, as in the case of aluminum. Later, the pure lead is exported to larger manufacturing industries around the world. This is our partner company for battery recycling. Plastic related to automotive parts. Last component to be recycled separately is the plastic coming from automotive spare parts. This is also done by reducing the plastic parts into different sizes of granules. The granules are then sent out to various factories specialized in plastic manufacturing, thus recycling old plastic into, for example, bottles, plastic sheeting for greenhouses, and plenty of other useful products. This is our partner company for plastic recycling. What about waste composed of multiple components like oil filters? Special parts such as engine oil filters and fuel filters are difficult to recycle as single component because they are composed of several materials: metal, rubber, plastic, and paper. To solve this, the regional workshop has created a simple machine designed to cut open the filters and allow the separation of metals from the contaminated filtering paper. Once done, the metal and plastic are recycled through the process shown previously, while oil and the contaminated filter paper go to burning furnaces to serve as combustible fuel. Sometimes the empty shell of the filter is used for creative arts as well. We hope that you have enjoyed our trip to the regional workshop waste management activities, which we hope to expand to the region soon. We promise to keep you updated.